Hello aspirants, welcome back to our YouTube channel Smart Preparation to Success. UPSC EPFO Day 14th MCQ series subject accounting topic recording of transactions. Topics trial balance, concept, importance and role of trial balance, types of accounting errors, formation of a trial balance, suspense accounts. So based on these topics, total 25 MCQs. So all the best to everyone. Let's start. The first question, a company's trial balance shows equal debit and credit totals. Which of the following conclusions is most accurate? Option A, the accounts are completely free from errors. Option B, only arithmetic accuracy is ensured, not absence of all errors. The final accounts can be prepared without further verification. It guarantees there are no errors of principle. Next question. Why trial balance is considered a statement rather than an account? It records transactions chronologically. It summarizes balances without applying debit credit rules again. It followed double entry principle. It is a part of financial statements. Next question. If a trial balance does not tally, which of the following is the first corrective step? Prepare profit and loss account, transfer difference to capital account, check ledger postings and balances, record closing stock value. Next question. Trial balance differs from balance sheet because trial balance shows assets and liabilities. Balance sheet is prepared from trial balance. Trial balance ensures profit calculation. Balance sheet tests arithmetic accuracy. The next question. In which case would a trial balance still tally despite errors in the books? Option A debit entry posted without a credit entry. Machinery purchased wrongly debited to purchase account. Sale recorded only in sales account. A posting error where 500 is entered as 5000. The next question. The trial balance is often called the link in accounting because it connects journal entries directly to balance sheet, summarizes ledger balances for preparing financial statements, eliminates need for subsidiary books, records all business transactions in one place. The next question. Which of the following situations highlights the limitation of trial balance? An entry of 5000 posted as 500 on debit side, wages paid recorded in sale account, sales entered only in sales book but not posted in ledger, purchases of furniture treated as revenue expenditure. The next question. The managerial importance of trial balance lies primarily in determining exact profit for the period, acting as an internal check on accounting process, valuing closing stock accurately, preventing errors of principle. The next question. Which of the following errors is least likely to be detected through a trial balance? Partial omission of transaction, wrong totaling of purchases books, posting to wrong side of account, carrying forward wrong balance to trial balance. Next question. Why does trial balance help auditors during verification? It contains complete transaction details. It highlights all compensating errors. It provides summarized balances of accounts in one place. It removes the need for watching documents. Next question. Which error violates the matching principle in accounting? Error of commission, error of omission, error of principle, compensating error. Next question. A business purchased machinery worth 50,000 but recorded it as purchases What will be the impact? Trial balance will not tally, profit will be understand, liabilities will increase, suspense account will be created. Next question. If wages of 1000 are debited to machinery account, the error is error of omission, error of principal, error of commission, compensating error. Next question. Two equal and opposite mistakes in different accounts that cancel each other are called clerical errors, errors of principal, compensating errors, errors of omission. Next question. Which error will affect the agreement of trial balance? Purchase entry omitted altogether, cash received from debitor not posted in debitor account, wrong account used but correct double entry maintained, entry posted only once. Next question. While preparing trial balance, which balances are placed on the credit side? Assets and expenses, capital liabilities, income gains, assets, liabilities, expenses, only real accounts. The next question. If discount allowed appears in trial balance, it will be shown in debit side of trial balance, credit side of trial balance, both debit and credit sides, it is not shown at all. Next question. In case of one-sided error, the trial balance will always tally, not tally until suspense account is opened, show compensating difference, reflect higher debit than credit. Next question. Closing stock appears in the trial balance only when it is an adjusting entry, it is already adjusted in purchases, it is carried forward directly, it has not been valued. Next question. A trial balance is prepared after posting entries in journal, recording transactions in the cash book, balancing all ledger accounts, preparing profit and loss accounts. The next question. Which of the following statements about a suspense account is correct? It is permanent account shown in a balance sheet. It is created to record contingent liabilities. It is temporary account used when trial balance does not tally. It replaces capital account temporarily. The next question. Suspense account can have only debit balance, only credit balance, either debit or credit balance depending on difference, no balance at all. The next question. When an error is detected after preparing trial balance, the correction entry is first made in journal proper and then suspense account is adjusted in cash book directly by re-preparing the trial balance only by adjusting the final accounts. Next question. Which error cannot be corrected through the suspense account? Posting only one side of entry, omission of a complete transaction, posting wrong amount in one account, entering debit without corresponding credit. The next question. After rectification of all errors, The suspense account should show debit balance carried forward, credit balance carried forward, nil balance, balance transferred to capital accounts. So these are the 25 questions. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and comment your answers and queries and turn on your notifications for further videos. Thank you.